Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to loop a YouTube video on mobile. If you're using any mobile and you want to loop your YouTube videos, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your YouTube app and here just look for the video which you want to loop. Let's say I'm gonna select this one. You just have to tap on these three dots here and then first you need to add it to your playlist because there is no direct way to use loop feature, but you can still do that very easily. Just select the save to playlist and here just save this as or in your any playlist. Let's say I want to create a new playlist here, and once you have done, just tap on done and your playlist is ready now. Now just tap on your profile icon in the bottom right and then select the playlist which you have just created and here just play the video. So once you have played a video, you'll see a loop option here. You just have to enable that. Once you have enabled, your loop is now ready or it's enabled on your YouTube or mobile. So in this way, you can easily use or loop a YouTube video on your mobile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.